Amid the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war, former U.S. President Donald Trump has made a bold statement. He warned that countries buying oil from Russia, like India, may face sanctions. Is this pressure on Russia, or a warning to India too? Let's break it all down. Recently, Trump said in a press briefing, "We are considering strong secondary sanctions." He added that countries doing business with Russia won't be spared easily. He didn't mention India directly, but the message was clear. India has increased oil imports from Russia in recent years, at discounted prices. After the Ukraine war began, Russia became one of India's biggest oil suppliers. Why? Because Russian oil comes cheap. India refines it for use and re-exports it for profit. But now, this trade is under threat. Let's understand what secondary sanctions actually are. If the U.S. imposes sanctions on a country, they also pressure other countries to stop dealing with them. If they continue, the U.S. can take action against those countries too. That's called secondary sanctions. These sanctions could cut off a country's banks from global systems, restrict trade in U.S. dollars, and reduce foreign investment. That's a serious risk. If Trump returns to power and enforces these, India may face a hard choice: Russian oil or U.S. access. Paki Sharma responded strongly to Trump's remarks. She said, "This isn't just about Russia, it's pressure on India's foreign policy." She explained that India follows a multi-aligned strategy, and America wants to challenge that. So, what will India do now? Experts say India can't stop Russian oil imports overnight. But India must diversify. Look to other sources like Saudi Arabia, the U.S., or even green energy. At the same time, India must stand firm and resist pressure. The Russia-Ukraine war has now turned into a global energy war. India, China, Russia, and the U.S. are all involved. If Trump returns, will India face sanctions? Or stand its ground? Tell us in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more global updates.